video on the Format Painter. The Format Painter, which is this paintbrush up here in the clipboard group, copies formatting. It does not copy text. It just copies the way that the text was formatted. So we're going to go ahead and change paragraph 1 and make it a little fancier. I'm going to go ahead and select the whole thing. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to increase this font size. I'm going to make it a different color. And let's see, what else do we want to do? We're going to italicize it and just make it really fancy. Okay, so now, so I don't have to do that on every one of these. I just click on my paragraph, and I've got 4 paragraphs here, and I want to use that same formatting on all the paragraphs. I'm going to go over here to Format Painter, and I'm going to double click it so it stays in there. Notice when I point to this, it's going to show me a paintbrush. As soon as I use the paintbrush, it changes that formatting exactly like the top. So it's not changing the text, it's just changing the formatting. And to get rid of it or to stop it, you can either click on it or hit your escape key. Always hit the escape key to get rid of it. Okay, let's look at some paragraph formatting. Say we want to indent these paragraphs. So I'm going to go to the paragraph dialog box. I'm going to go to where it says special and choose first line. So it indents the paragraph by 1/2 inch. And I'm going to click OK. So now all the paragraphs are indented. I also want to use the Align Justify format. So I'm clicked in there. I'm going to Align Justify so the margins are equal. So I've got them indented and I've got them equal. Now I want to copy that formatting down to my other paragraphs. So I'm clicked inside the paragraph. I'm going to double click the Format Painter and then click here, here, and here. Format painting, remember, paints the formatting, not the text. So we've changed our headers. Now we can go back and decide we want to make these, we want to center our paragraphs. So we're going to go and center it. Okay. And then I'm going to go over and get my Format Painter. I'm going to double click it. I'm going to click on paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, and it will change them all without me doing anything, actually going up and say center. It's just going to copy the formatting that I had up here. Be sure when you're done with this that you escape it to get rid of it, because if you don't, it's going to do that to whatever you've got, that whatever you select in the future. So you want to be careful. It does go crazy every once in a while. And that's a quick video on format painting.